Hi guys, it's Chelsea, and today I'm going to be showing you a couple more clips of my neighbor's van build that we have been working on. Basically, Cassie and I reupholstering the doors and getting the floors completed, and all around all just like hanging out and everything. It's gonna be super fun. But before I wanted to start this video, I just wanted to say that there's only a couple more days left to pick up the VICARI van merch that I have created for you guys. Everyone has been getting the hoodies. I mean, those are like selling out like crazy, and I guess it's because the chilly weather is starting to come in and the things are super cozy. So if you're interested in at least checking out what I have to offer, please visit the link in the description, bonfire.com/vicari. I'll also pin it as the top comment on this video. Just go see what I have. Just go check it out. You don't have to get anything if you don't want to, but just go check it out because it's a design that's really personal to me. As you guys know, it is the tattoo that I have right here of my dog and I, Banks. So yeah, it would mean a lot to me if you at least went and looked at it and pick something up if you feel like supporting the channel or whatever. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.
Boss. Like a motherfucking boss.
Sunlight off the grave.
That is so cool.
Been sitting here.
Working on 2 homes. Well,
Dancing on the trail
thank you very much.
Since time is slowing lifting off my heels, I'm running, wagging around my tail and bones. Hi, I'm thawing out. I'm thawing out. Holding on the hand of sister. Whiskey curling in our mouths. Our mouths.
Lights?
Is it?
Oh, it's quite illuminated.
Oh my god!
Wait for it.
They're gonna be so beautiful, guys.
Take a look at that.
Yes.
Things that we don't use.
Oh, here comes the actual lights. Ooh, what's that fancy bag here? Yeah.
That's gonna go in all these babies.
Inside in the middle there.
Yep. And we just did the floor, guys. We just finished the floor. I look really strange, but I'm gonna go to Amelie's and get something to drink because I'm thirsty. And then we're gonna come back and magic erase through this floor and work on it some more. So, all right.
I
progress. Peep it all.
Peeping Toms?
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Little.
Is Alex
Peep
also
it,
sending
rest
you
in peace.
videos and pictures of what he's doing?
I'm falling out. I'm falling out.
Alright guys, I don't know what my hair is doing, just ignore all of it. But, we did the floors. That was a lot. That was a lot of effort, and it was fine. Joseph ended up having to leave like 20 minutes into helping us, so he basically showed us how to do things, and then we finished it. So Sky helped me cut the pieces. I cut, he held the wood in place, which was really helpful. And then Cassie and Ray stuck all the panels in, and whew. They have to leave to go pick up one of Ray's friends, so they are taking the van with them. Hopefully when they get back, Cassie and I can finish putting the door panels back on that we reupholstered last night. And yeah, I think that'll be it for the day. We also got the LED light strips in the mail, so Joey can redo all the lights. It's just the trim lights and these wood panels right here. I think that'll look really cool. And then Cassie and I are going to paint this trim back here in the windowsill that you're sitting on. We're gonna paint those white, and I think that'll be really cute and just kind of like brighten it up in here. And that'll probably be it for the day. I actually think tomorrow is gonna be the day where they camp out in it for the first time. So I think we're gonna go on a sample trip to a campground nearby and do a sample run, man, and camp out and have a bonfire, and they're gonna sleep in the van, and it's got the floors in it now, so looks good. And the next big step will be building out the shelving in here, which is going to serve as the seats, and then it's gonna be storage underneath, and then there will be a table in the center that drops down to make the bed when they want that. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video, and I will obviously vlog our sample trip tomorrow with them, introducing them to actual van life and camping out in nature. It's gonna be super fun. And so yeah, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Keep in touch with this channel because this is gonna be fun. This is gonna be a good van build. And yeah, I also do tips and tricks videos on how to live a nomadic lifestyle if you are interested in it. And yeah, for those of you guys that have bought the VICARI van merch, thank you so much. I'm really close to my goal. I think I'm only 22 hoodies away from reaching my goal. So I've got crew necks, pullover hoodies, t-shirts, and v-necks. If you're interested, I will have that in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for participating in this adventure with me and my friends, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.